Imagine pedaling your way to your next weekend getaway in a bike camper you built yourself. Intrigued? Here's how to make that happen. First, gather your materials: a sturdy bicycle, waterproof canvas, lightweight aluminum rods, and basic tools. Kick off by designing your camper shell. It should be lightweight yet strong and large enough to sleep in. Use those aluminum rods to create a skeleton structure, then cover it with the waterproof canvas. Next, attach the camper shell to your bike. Ensure it's well balanced and secure. Test it out, make adjustments as needed. Remember, safety is paramount. Always include reflectors and lights on your camper. And of course, don't forget your helmet. Now, pack your essentials and get ready to pedal your way to freedom. With your own bike camper, every road is a potential adventure. Building a bike camper isn't just about crafting a portable shelter, it's about constructing a dream. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your dream today. Loop